This is the bit that MSPs get wrong when it comes down to creating scroll-stopping content. As an MSP business owner, do you struggle to get anyone to care about your content on LinkedIn? You put a blog out, nobody cares about that. You put a picture of the office dog and the new van, no one cares about that. You put your heart and soul into a video, no one cares about that. Well, the reason for that is because there's 4 key things that we see MSPs missing off when it comes to putting content out there. And I'm going to share with them for you today so that you get more leads and start to build that business that works for you. Here they are. The first one is a target market. Oh my, don't we bang on about this in the MSP space? It's really important you have that clear target market, because then you understand their business, you'll resonate with them better, you'll build a relationship better, and you'll connect with them better. So make sure you've got a really clear target market, and don't say professional services. That really winds me up. I want you to go deeper than that. Okay, the next one is all around educating. And I want you to add value. So the thing here is that nobody cares about your RMM, no one cares about your PSA or any of your tools. What they care about is you overcoming their business problems with technology. So I want you to educate them in how that works, using backup, using cyber tools, and using all of these other things to help them operate their business much, much swifter. But the thing that's really important is this here is the foundation. I don't want you moving any further forwards until you've got a clear target market and you know how to educate through the content. Okay, next up, I want a nice, clear message. What's the purpose of the piece of content? What do you want them to learn? What do you want to educate them with? What's the thing that you want them to take away? It needs to be nice and clear message. And finally, you're going to love this one. I want you to entertain. And be normal. I want you to share with them that your values, that you're a person. You are a professional services business. They're probably going to be professional services too. Then we need to make sure that they know, like, and trust you. But it's not just about these 4 areas. There's 2 other really important aspects that I want you to make a note of here. And they surround the outside. And without having this right, then the whole thing falls apart. The first one is around having a brand and expert status. They're coming to you because you're the expert. Tell them, show them. I want you to have a solid brand, a brand that they trust, a brand that they know they can move towards, and that you're going to help them, as I say, overcome those problems. Whether you're speaking, whatever it might be, I need that to come out in this area. So remember, they're coming towards you because you're the expert, you're the technology expert, and we need to make sure you've got a solid, trusted brand, and your expert status is coming out in every single piece of content that you use. But last but not least, the wrapper that goes around the whole thing, and pretty much you can forget the whole of this video if you don't get this right, is consistency. Sorry, it's really boring, but if you're not consistent, and what I mean by that is posting 3 to 5 times a week, using your LinkedIn profile, using your company profile, you need to build up a catalogue of this content where you've got a clear target market, we're educating and adding value, you've got a clear message so they know exactly what it is all about, you're entertaining and you're being normal, showing off this expert status, but you're being consistent. And that's how you get your phone to ring and the message box pinging on your LinkedIn saying, can I talk to you about my services? This is how to get your content working. This is how to get more traction with your content and get people to care about it. If you like this and you're an MSP and you really want to build that business that works for you, follow for more. See you later.